Stop by and take a look at the 2017 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.